Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're shedding light on the WESECUU solar security camera, a game-changer in the realm of outdoor surveillance. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about power. This camera is truly revolutionary, harnessing the sun's energy with its built-in solar panel. No more worries about battery life or cumbersome wires. It's hassle-free and eco-friendly. But what about those cloudy days? No problem. You can also charge it via USB for continuous power. Plus, with its wireless design, installation is a breeze. Whether you're mounting it on a wall or a post, this camera adapts to any outdoor environment. And with its IP67 rating, it's built to withstand the elements, from rain to hail to shine. Now, let's talk about visibility. This camera boasts 2K Ultra HD resolution, delivering crystal clear footage day or night. With color night vision and infrared modes, you'll never miss a beat, even in the darkest of nights. But what really sets this camera apart is its eye-powered motion detection. Say goodbye to false alarms. With intelligent detection technology, you'll only be alerted when it matters most. And let's not forget about communication. With its built-in microphone and speaker, you can have real-time conversations with anyone on your property. Whether it's a family member, a delivery person, or an unwelcome guest. Concerned about storage? You have options. Recordings can be stored locally on a TF card or in the cloud. And with group sharing capabilities, you can easily share footage with your family for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the WESECUU solar security camera is a game-changer in the world of outdoor surveillance. With its solar-powered design, 2K HD resolution, and advanced features like motion detection and two-way talk, it's truly a must-have for any home or business. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay safe and informed.